Well, let's get you the very latest when it comes to the water crisis here in the national capital, and the Aam Aadmi Party has gone on to say that the LG is misrepresenting facts. This is after a meeting that was held between Atishi and Saurabh Bhardwaj of the Aam Aadmi Party with the LG in the national capital on Monday. Now, he has gone on to say, this is the LG saying that there is no point in indulging in a blame game, and he has gone on to say that they can resolve the matter, saying that the suspension that has been accused as far as the BJP rule Haryana is concerned of stopping Delhi's share of water for the past several days as the national capital is passing through that severe water crisis amidst this heat wave situation. Now, after meeting with the LG, he has assured them that he would talk to the Haryana government and ensure that the national capital's share of 1,050 cusacs of water is released. To get more on this, we have Ishika joining us. Ishika, so there seems to be some sort of a pathway, some sort of, a consensus which has been reached where the LG has assured to the Aam Aadmi Party, even though he's been saying, don't indulge in a blame game situation, but that he would, help in resolving the matter.
Well, yes, Divya, certainly yesterday a very crucial meeting of the Lieutenant Governor with the ministers in the Delhi government, that is the Water Minister, Atishi, and the Urban Development Minister, Saurabh Bhardwaj, took place. And in that meeting, what we are getting to know as per the Rajnivas sources is that Lieutenant Governor had in fact said that he will be taking this matter up with the government of Haryana to give extra water on human grounds. In fact, he has also advised the ministers to not get into pointless blame game with the neighboring states. He said that even if Haryana were to give additional water above its allocated share, Delhi did not have enough water, treatment plants and capacity to treat the water and supply to the people of Delhi. So this is a very important point, Divya. In fact, he has also said that the Munnar Canal in Bhavana, where the water is being released by the Haryana, there the wastage of water is a lot because of the disrepair and also the theft of water that is taking place, at that particular place. So he has in fact, advised the government to first deal with that issue, because if that is done, Lieutenant Governor said that the water crisis can be resolved to a very large extent. Now, responding to this, Saurabh Bhardwaj, who was also present in the meeting, he in fact now is alleging that there has been a misinterpretation of the fact, and he has challenged the Lieutenant Governor to in fact show the video of the meeting as well.
Absolutely, Ishika. Thank you so much. We will keep coming back to you for more on that.